May 55 hanggang 80% na posibilidad na ang ilang underwater drones na nadiskubre sa karagatang sakop ng Pilipinas ay dineploy ng Chinese Communist Party. Ayon sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, batay ito sa isinagawang forensic analysis sa 3 sa 5 underwater drones na na-recover. May mga Chinese markings sa mga drone at isa sa mga ito ay may ginamit pang Chinese telecommunication SIM card.
There is a 55 to 80% likelihood that this was deployed by the Chinese Communist Party. Why 55 to 80%? Is because of the components inside. Not all of them have markings that they were made in China. Others are available commercial off the shelf. They have the capability to receive, to process, to store, and to transmit data through satellite communications to a station on land, to a mothership, or to other drones. We are not categorically stating where they came from, but there is a likelihood, a 55 to 80% likelihood for the report.
Binigyang diin ni Trinidad na posibleng may banta sa seguridad ang naturang mga drone dahil maaari itong gamitin sa pagsusuri ng underwater terrain.
Very clear that these are used for mapping out the underwater terrain, collecting information like what I mentioned, bathymetric data. All of these have a use across different fields to include underwater warfare.
Ang mga underwater drones ay na-recover sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa, kabilang ang sa Calayan Island sa Babuyan Group of Islands, sa Pasukin, Ilocos Norte, Inita, Misamis Oriental at sa San Pascual, Masbate. Kasunod ng resulta ng forensics, tiniyak ng Philippine Navy ang kanilang paninindigan na patuloy nilang poprotektahan ang maritime domain ng Pilipinas laban sa anumang banta.
For the Philippine Navy, the AFP, we will keep performing our mandate, lalo namin pag-itingin yung pagbabantay sa ating karagatan, knowing that there are now capabilities which are non-traditional. So we have to be on the lookout for this.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Cas Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News sa Manila, the Music and News Authority.